Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining. So let's start flow designer and workflow. When we will use, for what purpose we will use, how we will use. Correct. So let's discuss that. See, we discussed the workflow. Correct. So workflow we will use for what reason? So either it is a service request or change or demand. Demand is ITBM module we will be using. For request and change is ITSM module, correct? Okay. So this is a ITBM module demand we will be using. And anything if you want to use, you can custom modules also, you can go ahead and use it, correct? So now service request or change. What is this service request or change? We discussed in initially. Do you remember? Anyone can answer me what is service request, what is change? Except Anjay, can anyone answer me, please?
Requesting something.
Okay. What is change? Okay. Do you guys know or do you want me to explain? Okay. I hope. So we all discussed, correct? What is the request? So request is something you are requesting for your work or for your work, either email ID, application access, or maybe hardware, software installations, correct? So if you want something, okay, additionally for your laptop or for your work, so whatever you are requesting something additionally to the people or to the your office, correct? To the your office, you are asking, please install software, so and so software, because I need to work so and so. So when you want to do data mining or data analysis, correct? So if you want to do what you will what you need Excel, correct? Or you need Power BI, correct? So you need Excel or Power BI means Excel means you need MS Office. We all know, correct? So if you want to use Power BI, you need Power BI Pro license, Power BI license, whatever, correct? To get this, maybe it is a equivalent to maybe $250 per month license or per year, correct? So simply, whoever is joining in my organization, tomorrow I'm starting my organization. So you are whoever some 10 people joined, correct? For all 10 people, I may not able to give email ID, correct? And not able to give Power BI license, correct? Or MS Office also. I'm not able to give everyone, correct? To get installed, you need to take certain approvals. What is that approval? First of all, your manager to confirm that you need this software to work. So because see, I'm managing all the licenses in the organization. I don't know whether you required a license or not for this your laptop, correct? Only your manager can confirm that you need a MS Office or Power BI or email ID. So first level, your manager has to approve, correct? For to approve, we should have a approval process in the workflow, correct? Once you approve, To approve that, he should know what is that you are requesting. Email ID request or Power BI request or MS Office request. For that, we are creating a catalog item. We all know that we are creating a catalog item, correct? So once you create a catalog item, so what is the questions you might ask when you create a email ID requirement? What are the questions you might ask? Your name, okay, your department, your location, okay. Then I might ask, why do you want email ID, correct? These all are the questions I will ask. That questions are variable or variable set. We all discussed, correct? In the catalog item. So based on the variable or variable set, we are driving the workflow or flow designer to the certain approvals and assigning to certain groups. We all know, correct? That we have experienced that. We tried already. We have created workflows. We have assigned these tickets to different groups, different approvals. We learned, correct? So now again, I will go back and explain you this one in the flow designer also. Okay, 1 or 2 times. How do we do it? Don't need to worry about yesterday class. We will go there, but I want to explain this theoretically, then I will take it forward. Okay? So now certain approvals required and certain groups the ticket has to be assigned. Certain approvals are your manager approves. Then there is one guy in any organization who manages licenses of each software or manages hardware, right? So suppose if you raise a request for iPhone 17 Pro, correct? So once you raise a request, I need an iPhone 17 Pro for me to use to have a calls with the customer or whatever maybe you would be requesting. So your manager has to confirm, yes, he required iPhone 17 Pro. Once that is done, what will happen? Then it will go who manages this software, sorry, hardware. Hardware is a guy who manages this phones, laptops, all those things, correct? So he is a hardware asset manager. You can call hardware manager or asset manager, correct? So the other guy will be software manager in any other organization, correct? So these two designations, why do they will make it? They will maintain the software licenses. How many people are in our organization? How many people are using MS Office? How many people are using Power BI? How many people are using email IDs? They will maintain all this data, okay, in ServiceNow. Now, whenever you raising a request for iPhone 17 Pro, suppose guy called Ramesh who approves as a HAM, hardware asset manager, correct? So if you raise a request for software means maybe I can say Power BI. The guy called Naresh who approves as a SAM, software asset manager. Right, first level, your manager will approve. Then hardware manager, if you are raising for 17, if you are raising Power BI, SAM, Naresh will approve, correct? So after this approval, there is one more guy controlling all these guys. Your manager and this guys controlling one more guy is a procurement manager. Or there will be a finance manager who manages how much money we are using for specific department, correct? So he will say, can you add me myself as a approver in any organization? Okay, he will ask me. Now, how many approvals? Once you raise a software access, suppose when we create a one catalog item, hardware, first level, your manager will approve, then this guy will approve, okay, Ramesh, then finance manager will approve, correct? After this all approvals, what will happen? If iPhone is, they will check iPhone 17 Pro is in stock or not, correct? Who will do that? Asset team. Asset team will do it, correct? In case if it is there, okay. So what he will do? We are creating a task for him, correct? He will verify stock and he will confirm there is a stock, and then the issuing team will be there. Who will issue iPhone to the user, correct? So now, if you decide what is the first level is create a request, REQ, correct? So then manager to approve, correct? Then ham to approve, correct? Then FM, finance manager to approve. Then asset team to check stock. Then end user team, END means EUS, end user support team to issue phone. Okay, once issue the phone, what they will do? Update in inventory or asset. So what is that called? In ServiceNow, it is called HAM, Hardware Asset Management. So don't confuse here. This is a manager. This is a, I can say here manager. Otherwise you will confuse. Hardware Asset Manager. Here HAM, Hardware Asset Management. Hardware Asset Management. Okay. So he will manage the inventory. The team will manage in inventory. So this is the complete life cycle of any request, correct? Now, how do you do this one? Through workflow or flow designer, we have to do this one, correct? To achieve this, all these things. After achieving this one, so now, did you got doubt, sir? You didn't explain me what is this approval, how do this works, all those things, correct? So the approvals will work wherever you are applying workflow or flow designer, correct? These two levels it will work. Now this one will be used again, request and change mainly, okay, in ITSM. If you go to ITBM, demand management also we will be using. So where we will apply these workflows? Mainly in request and change, correct? Now there is additional places where we will apply in case of integration, okay? There is other place, notifications. There is other place, okay, integration notifications and automation. Okay, these all are the main places we would be using workflow or flow designer, correct? So integrations means, what is integration? By seeing this word itself, you should get. We all know that integration means interacting with the two systems. Okay, interacting with the two systems. Suppose we discussed initially also this point, correct? Suppose my company is maintaining all my employees' salary in SAP, correct? Then you have a service now. You created a ticket saying that I have a problem of leave, that my leaves are deducted, I am not getting salary, right? So the ticket created, then once ticket created, your HR will validate how many days you took leave and why you are having issue. Once he confirmed that you didn't took any leave, what will happen? They will process this request to SAP. Correct. Once the SAP it will process, they will give a comments that he should get so and so money, or he should get so and so deducted his salary. All those things, it will be from ServiceNow to SAP. It has to interact and it has to get deducted from your salary, or it has to add your salary. Correct. These are the two things which you might be doing it. It is not only that. Suppose in real time scenario, okay, we worked, myself and Jaya, we worked, okay. I'll give you one example. We were working one of the telecom customer, correct. So when we are working one telecom customer, suppose I recharged by using uh, 500 rupees. After 500 rupees recharging, so I was not able to get the data, whatever pack. Okay. So I raised case. After raising a case, they verified that I paid a money. Okay. Through gateway, I paid a money. Then they received a money, but they are not able to recharge to me. Okay. So then the customer care team verified that my payment is successful. Then they have informed, they processed my pack to recharge to my system, correct. So after that, I should get recharged, correct. So this all completely, there will be a multiple system. Our system is only for ticketing, we all know, correct. So there is a recharge system gateway, there will be there, payment gateway. We all should know that there will be a payment gateways. So ServiceNow will with interact with payment gateway, and there will be a database. Okay. So through payment gateway, they will interact, or through middleware software. Okay. They will interact and they will process your money or your pack. Correct. So this is how the complete integrations will be there. Okay, about the integration. Anyway, we are going to talk about this integration once again. We will take one or two examples and we will do integrations also. Okay, how we can do with the other system integration, all those things we will try it. Okay, that time, during the time, we will take complete class for integration only. Okay, now notifications coming out, correct. So yesterday we were discussing, when we are discussing flow designer, there is a notification also we can trigger. Suppose we resolve the incident, 7 days time is there. After resolve to close, we put 7 days is our property setting, that closure time between 7 days, correct. Now I put, but in between these 7 days, I have to trigger a notification to the user saying that please confirm whether your issue is resolved or not, correct. How do I do? Every day I cannot go manually and do it, correct. So hence we have a schedule notification where you can trigger the notification to the user, to the particular incident or particular ticket. Okay, so that is called your notification. So now again there is a automation, correct. We talk about automation also. We will talk little bit automation. Suppose you I just said there is a automation. One of the, like, once your payment is done, okay. After payment, you should get pack to recharge for your mobile, correct, or for your TV, whatever. So how do you do that? So that will be done through automations. So we will also discuss one class about the automation, one class about the integrations in future. Okay. So this is about the workflows. Where do we use mainly, correct. So now simple thing, I will show one automation. Okay, how did we done it? Okay, so let's do that. I will not record that one, but I will show you that in the live, correct. So let me, again, we all know that whenever we are doing any configuration, we should set local update set, correct. So what is a local update set? We will configure flow designer and submit and make my current. So to verify that, we need to come here and check this, flow designer, correct? So now I'm closing this one. I'm going again. N item, correct? So N item means it's catalog item. So whether you create one or you take one example, the old one, and try to copy. I will do activate user. Activate user will do copy. So the old one we are not disturbing. We are trying to do new one, correct? Activate user. This is done. I'm just trying to save it. So now if you see, variable sets are there, user information is there, and justification is there, correct? Our variables are not come because it will not come. Variables will not come. Only just the variable sets will come whenever you are trying to copy. UI policies are come. Okay, it has also come, but I think we have removed. Okay, it will come, but we have removed that one during last time. Okay, so let us remove this one also. We don't want now UI policies and all. I don't want at present. I want only two variable sets are there. One variable I will create it. What is the variable? User to activate, correct? User details to activate user. Question mark you can put. Okay, this is my, what is that? You should put reference. So from where we are getting sys underscore user, correct? We should get. I want to check active equal to false. I want to check false only because true anywhere you don't need to enable, correct? So only false related users you need to activate them, correct? So whenever user is false, so we are trying to activate. So I'll put somewhere 250 in between. So my catalog item is this one, correct? So this is my catalog item. 200, try it. Let's give a try it. So this is requested by user location department user to activate and justification we are giving. Right. So whichever users are inactive, this user only inactive in ServiceNow, hence this user is getting displayed here. We applied that filter, so hence this is displaying only one user. Correct. Now let's go back to flow designer. Correct. So one by one we'll do it. We'll not do like yesterday. Flow activate user. My flow name is activate user. We'll see whether it will run or not with the this one who initiate build a flow. So when to trigger? Can anyone guide me, guys? This is the one, correct? Service catalog. Then action. What is the action I have to take? What is the request item? So what is the request item? Our item is activate user, correct? In this, these all are the variables we have. So we did that, correct? So we are getting this one, correct? So once we get this one, okay. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to add action get variable we already done this one, right? So this is our first step, correct? So now after getting this variables, okay, so first we are trying to trigger this service catalog, any service catalog we are trying. But again, any service catalog here we are defining, correct? Only this catalog item, okay. Whenever I am selecting, okay, this user I need to activate, whoever is need to activate for this guy, correct, whom I selected. Now I need to do, if this user add action update record, correct, we need to do update. So update record need to do. So what we need to do, update. So get like variables, okay. This one, what I need to update, go to user table, okay. What field I have to update? Active equal to, what I need to do? True. I need to tick as a true, right? This is a only active true or false, correct? So we need to do active true or false. So first we selected variables, which catalog item, and trying to update request update get variable we selected, and user activate we done, correct? So let's do this one now. Act this one activate user, correct? This one we have to copy, save it, activate it. So where do we need to tag it? This is the catalog item, correct? Process engine flow. So either workflow or flow should be there, correct? Save. So this is done now. Our flow is ready, and we have attached the flow to this catalog item under flow process engine. We type that one. Now what we need to do? We need to give it a try. Yes. Selecting some user, whoever is here. First we will check this guy is active or not in service, correct? So where do we check? Users, under user If you see, he is false here, correct? He's showing false, active false. Now what we'll do here? Somebody is trying to put a lines to here. Anjaya. Anjaya.
Yeah, by mistake I pressed Anna. Carry on.
No problem. So we are just
Sorry.
giving order, right? Once we give a order, let's see whether this user is getting true or not. See, this user becoming true. So that's how we need to do automation. Okay. This is example for automation, guys. Okay. So do you have any doubt till here, or you want someone to try the same way?